Meet Alex, a web design wizard with a knack for turning chaos into captivating creations. Today, Alex faces a riddle, cracking the code for flawless responsive design. Will Alex succeed, or will the site crash and burn? Our site needs to look stunning on every device, from the tiniest phone to the widest monitor. First up, we need to master the fluid grid layout. Think of it like water, adapting to any container it's poured into. What about flexible images? They always end up too big or too small. We use relative units like percentages instead of fixed pixels. But here's the real trick: media queries. They tell the browser how to style elements based on the device's characteristics. Will the site transform like a chameleon, or will it crumble under the pressure? It worked! Alex, you've done it again! Remember, a responsive design is about delivering an exceptional user experience, no matter the device. And so, the riddle is solved. Alex has cracked the code. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of design wizards. Let's create something extraordinary together. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and comment.